Hello Wolfpack, I'm Stephanie from Crown with Creations, and today I'm sharing 5 things I learned while testing the xTool P2S Conveyor, so you don't have to make the same mistakes I did. First, after spending about 20 minutes fighting with the screws and Allen wrench, I realized the conveyor screws use the same head as the screwdriver that comes with the P2S. Trust me, using the screwdriver makes the installation much faster and easier. Second, and this one should have been obvious, make sure the conveyor cable is inside the P2S before you install the conveyor. Once everything is assembled, there's no opening to feed the cable through. If you do forget, you can carefully lift the P2S and slide the cable between the riser base and the machine, but the P2S is heavy, so it's much easier to route the cable first. Third, make sure the rollers are firmly holding your material. If the top rollers aren't applying enough pressure, the material won't move forward and the conveyor won't work properly. Fourth, make sure your material is long enough to stay engaged with the rollers. I tried testing a circular board, and once it moved past the bottom rollers, it stopped advancing. The laser continued engraving the same spot, which obviously wasn't the result I wanted. And fifth, the conveyor works best when you're feeding one continuous piece of material. I tried pushing a second board behind the first one, but because it wasn't supported by the rollers, it shifted and didn't engrave correctly. And there you have it, 5 mistakes I made while testing the xTool P2S Conveyor so you don't have to. If you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more laser engraving tips, products ideas, and honest lessons I learned along the way. Thanks for watching, Wolfpack! Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next creation. Alpha Steph, out!